wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube? Gang is a word Jambisco. I'm not gonna hit them and smash it up. Some kind of people, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, keep on the title, you see what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, people, I just want to take this time to actually apologize for the poor voice quality. My mic is actually broken. I'm actually working on getting a new mic currently, guys. So we're gonna get it pretty soon. So the audio quality should be back to normal pretty soon. So I do want to apologize. Yes, guys, I want to ask that you take this time to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. But even people are not going to even wall on no longer because that really mic is broken. But today we're checking out Brysco code. Yeah, man, Brysco is an up and coming artist that's actually very promising in dancehall genre. So we want to see what I'm going to deal with today and see exactly what's going on. See if you can find that hit. This one is entitled Brysco Code. Let's get it.
Bloody money come fast, I'ma spend it off quick. White people blood, me put in a gathering. Bang line, touch the river and pay my offering. Sacrificing me.
Man say bloody money come fast, I'm spend it off quick. White people blood, me put in the what? So white people blood put in the gathering, and that thing say?
Pay my offering, sacrificing my time and put my all in. Code. Travel pan it all, put it in a sport mode. Looking at the lucky is 100 load. It's how a diesel a chum my nose hole. Boat, more, but road girl sucky with it.
Bala. They want them mad people. Code. That's what. They want them mad man.
Ensure, give me brains right at the Benz store. No so sensible if you live a 10 floors. Fuck, nah man a lie. Stop going like man I swing on the line. When Mr. Cyber you know say a crime.
Nah man a lie. Stop going like you know me swing on the line. When me say Cyber you know say a crime. Come here.
From a juvenile like the phone me a dial. No. Dollar kind, VPN me no trust satellite.
Dollar kind, VPN me no trust dollar sign, VPN me no trust satellite. That one mad man.
Another night.
Let me know one thing about that one. The one named Brysco Code. Let's get it.
Another kind, money spray. Me have to book a giant incense. Code. Travel pan it all, put it in a sport mode. Looking at the lucky is 100 load. It's how a diesel a chum my nose hole. Boat, more, but road girl sucky with the ensure. Give me brains right at the Benz store.
Easy, yo.
No so sensible if you live a.
Yo, people know one thing about that one. You see me see the emojis. You know what I'm saying? Let me see what country you are watching from. Let me see the flag. Let me see no favorite part of the song, lyrics, instrumental, video. What? Let me see the favorite. I want to think about Brysco, cause now I'm gonna lie, man, have a nice little flow on that one, I know. You see me, so definitely go check it out and swim some.
2 pipe connect to the free floor. 1 squeeze me reach a free port. 2 lane road me turn in a 3 road.
2 lane turn in a 3 road.
Bang a phone, I meet the panny line, no feel a wet clothes. Gun trafficking when you see the transport. Big gun, big dog, look who you take no big dog. Code. Travel pan it all, put it in a sport mode.
Code. Travel pan it all, put it in a sports mode. Code.
Looking at the lucky is 100 load. It's how a diesel a chum my nose hole. Boat, more, but road girl sucky with the ensure. Give me brains right at the Benz store. No so sensible if you live a 10 floor. Nah man a lie. Stop going like man I swing on the line. When Mr. Cyber you know say a crime. From a juvenile like the phone me a dial. Dollar kind, VPN me no trust satellite. Another kind, money pray. Me have to book a giant, deep on the line. Man them girl do the bill key though. A code like.
Mad Brysco. Anyway, they big up yourself.
If I don't
I know where I come from, Jambisco.
they don't see the father, with them forgot 10 floor.
AKA Bisco. You see me?
No.
Mad true, me G. Mad. The one that shot people, me know the thing about the one death. Yeah, man, the one that named Code by Brysco. Definitely go show this artist some love and support. Yeah, man, some like when new artists are coming, a new vibe and a new little flavor to the game, you see me? Yeah, man, the one is a vibe, people. Definitely check it out, show some love and support. Make you know, say, Jambisco, aka Bisco, senior. Yeah, man, the one the artist named Brysco and the one named Code. Yeah, man. Definitely know what the favorite part of the track is. Lyrics, melody, beat, everything, the video. What's the favorite part? Let me know. Let me know what country you're watching from. Drop your emojis and name of your country, city, wherever you're watching from. Let me know. Yeah, man, definitely give it a shout out next time. Definitely let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. Well, yeah, man, that was a really dope track from Brysco. Definitely go check them out and show them some love and support. Very much at Jambisco. Link will be in the description, guys. You know, and definitely hit up that like and subscribe. It really helps with YouTube algorithm and help my videos get out there and make the channel grow. So I really appreciate if you guys can like and subscribe. Yeah, man, when there was a banger, Brysco, Code. Y'all know what time it is, guys. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.